Alright, tearing apart our 502 mag here. It's already been apart before. It's already 40 over. It's got aftermarket crank and rods in it. These are supposed to have 7/16 bolts because this is the go fast engine. But you know, one thing I noticed here is there's no keyway on the balancer. And usually big blocks press on pretty hard, but this look at that. I mean, it had to be out of time, out of balance, everything. So we'll fix her up. All right. This old 502's lived a pretty tough life. It blew up once before. You can see all the massage work and even the dinkle and the pan rail. There's a chunk missing out of here. What I think is interesting, I don't know if this is a King deal or what. I mean, it's got an Eagle 4340 forged rotating assembly in it, and obviously that balancer spun. You see it ripped the keys right clean out of there. But look at the coating that's coming off these main bearings. Just this one here. Look at that. That's exactly how I took it out of the engine. And that whole, look at that chunk that's missing from here to here. Wow. I don't really see it on that one. But interesting. But yeah, that coating's coming right off. Wow. Well, it's going to take a lot of money to get her back going, but we'll see what they want to do, see if we're fixing this girl or not. My guess is yes, it's already 40 over, it needs to go more. I mean, that one cylinder is absolutely terrible. I mean, you probably can't see it from here. But man, it is bad. I didn't measure it yet, but you can lose your finger in it. And that's, like I said, that's 40. So you can take these 502s over 100 over, so we got room, but man. Well, we'll see what's gonna happen, but yeah, that main, it's trash. Balancing this 540. Taking her up to 4-inch 530. Alright, we're balancing our little 549 Bravo 1 boat engine. Flipped it to internal balance. And there we go. That's pretty good. You're within 50 grams. We're not going to take any more out because we've taken some out already. So right there, should be right there, and right there. So we will ship this girl. She's ready to go in. Okay, working on our 549 big block project, and I just went ahead and sonically cleaned the injectors. I'm going to test them. And they're looking really good. This is always a great thing to do, especially on a fuel-injected engine, especially on boats. Man, the fuel just isn't the same as cars, and that's pretty damn good. So these things are like little faucets, these little key-in injectors. So well, they're ready to go in. Okay, working on this 502 mag out of the 26 Wellcraft, and we're overhauling the complete engine. But one of the things you got to do, or what we like to do, is we like to go through everything. Okay, now this is the oil cooler. It's getting replaced anyway because it had a severe engine failure. But look at how restricted that cooler is. Look at all those broken past impeller blades. I mean, you can't even see through this thing. There's the light. Maybe one little hole. So note to self, when you have an impeller explode, you need to go on a scavenger hunt, because look at all those blades that are in there, and that is a big problem down the road. So this thing had to be overheating, you would think. Okay, we're getting close on our 502 mag, which is now a 549 cubic inch engine. It's been stroked to 549. It's a 4-inch 500 thousandths bore instead of the original 4-inch 466, and instead of the stock 4-inch stroke crank, it has a 4 1/4 inch stroke crank, which this engine came in this way. The customer requested it to be built the way it came in, so that's what we did. It had a host of issues, had a wrong external balance flywheel on an internal balance crank, and the harmonic balancer vibrated off, sheared the keys. So it's been one project, that is for sure. But we're ready to prime it up. I've got oil in it, and let's fire up our drill and we'll see if we got some oil pressure here. Say we're in pretty good shape there. Next time you see this, it'll be running. Well, here you go, our 549 Magnum and a 26-foot Scarab.